discuss regarding number system as part of computer architecture and organization subject. In computer architecture and organization subject, I am going to discuss regarding the number system in the chapter of data representation. The number system is of decimal number system, the number system is of decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. So the number system is of four right now. One is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. In binary number system, it is 0 to 9. The numbers between 0 to 9 is binary decimal number system, and its radix base is 10. And its base is 10. The number system base is 10. So 0 to 9 are the digits. The base is 10. In binary number system, 0 and 1. Only two numbers, that is 0 and 1. A computer can understand only the binary system. So the numbers are 0 or 1. So based on these two numbers only, the number system will be there. The base is 2. And next comes to the octal number system. The octal number system is 0 to 7 and the base is 8. For the octal number system, the numbers are from 0 to 7 and the base is 8. Next comes to the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, this is 0 to 15, base is 16. So here base is 2 for the binary number system. The numbers are zeros and ones. For decimal number system, 0 to 9, base is 10. For octal number system, 0 to 7, base is 8. For hexadecimal number system, 0 to 15, base is 16. So this is the basic terms in the number system. Whereas 0 to 9 in hexadecimal system, 0 to 9 is as usual. When it comes to 10, it is represented as A. In hexadecimal number system, when it is 10, it is represented as A. And when it is 11, it is represented as B. 12 represented as C. 13 represented as D. 14 represented as E. 15 represented as F. So this is the basic terms in the number system, that is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system is 0 to 9, base is 10. Binary number system is 0 or 1. 0, 1, the base is 2. Octal number system 0 to 7, base is 8. Hexadecimal number system 0 to 15, base is 16. So 0 to 9 are both. 10 is A, 11 is B, 12 is C, 13 is D, 14 is E, 15 is F. This is all about the number system. Now, what we will do here? Conversion of number systems. What we will do? Conversion of number systems. That means decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Binary to octal, decimal to octal, octal to binary, decimal. Decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and all the conversions will see in conversion of number system. Conversion of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. We are going to convert a number from decimal to binary and binary to decimal. I will take an example of 75. A number 75, that is base 10, should be converted to base 2. Okay, the number 75, that is base 10, should be converted to base 2. That means 75 is a decimal number, I have to convert it into the binary. So 75 with 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 7 are 14, 1, 2, 2 1s are 2, 17, 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1 0. So the output is 1. From here we will start in this way. So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. So we converted decimal number 75 to base 2. That means a decimal number is converted to a binary number. Next, this should be converted to the decimal. So for conversion of this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6. One, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 to the power of 0 equal to 1. 2 to the power of 1 equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Now we have to multiply with this. 64 into 1 plus 0, 32 into 0, 0, plus 16 into 0, 0, plus 8 into 1, 8, plus 4 into 0, 0, plus 2 into 1, 1, plus 2 into 1, 2, plus 1 into 1, 1, equal to 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1, equal to 64 plus 8, 72. Yeah. Plus 2 plus 1 equal to 75. So we converted 75 base 10 to 1000, 1001, 11, that is base 2. And again when we convert this base 2, again we got 75, that is base 10. So this is all about the conversion of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. Odd complement. Complements are broadly classified into two. One is odd complement and another is odd minus 1's complement. Complements are of two. One is odd complement and another is the odd minus 1's complement. Odd complement. Given positive number n, in base or with an integer part of n digits, then r complement is n is defined as r base n minus n for not equal to 0. So what is r? R's complement, in R's complement, what is R? R is the base. In previous session we learned what are the number systems: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Every number system has its own base. So this R value for decimal number system, the R value for decimal number system is 10, and the same for binary. R value for binary is 2. So R value for decimal is 10 and for binary is 2. So when it comes to R's complement in decimal number system, it is considered as 10's complement. When we are discussing regarding the R's complement regarding the decimal number system, it is considered as the 10's complement. When we discuss regarding the binary number system, it is considered as the 2's complement. Okay, so R's complement for decimal number system it is 10's complement, and for binary number system it is 2's complement. Let's take an example, a value 5250 base 10. So since the base is 10, what we have to do? We have to do the 10's complement. So to do the 10's complement, how many number of 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 10 to the power of 5 minus 5, 2, 5, 2, 0 equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 2, 5, 0, 8, 4, 7, 4. So the output of 52520 of 10's complement is 47428 Next, 2's complement. We will take another number for the 2's complement, 101100 base 2. Okay, 101100 base 2. Now we are going to do for the 2's complement. So 2 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power of 6 minus 101100 base 2. So the value will become 1 minus 6 zeros, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Then the output will become 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 1. So it will take from before 10 minus 1, it will be 1 and 1. 10 minus 1, 1, 0. Here 1 will be the 1, 0. So this is the value. So this is the value of 2's complement. That means R's complement. What is R's complement? A given positive number n is in base or with an integer part of n digits. The R's complement of n is defined as R base n minus capital N is for not equal to 0. So R, if it is a decimal number, R value will become 10. If it is a binary number, R value will become 2. So 10's complement, I taken an example 52520 base 10 equal to 10's complement. So 10 to the power of 5 minus the value which we given. So 10 to the power of 5 equal to this one minus this one. What we got is 47480. Next comes the 2's complement. 2's complement 1 0. Taken an example of 1 0 1 1 0 0 base 2. 2 to the power of 6 minus this value. Then it will become 1 and 6 zeros 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 zeros minus this value. Then we got 0 1 0 1 0 0. Then comes to when the value is with the points, that means by this binary number with the real value, floating value. Okay, so for it, let's choose complement. Let's choose complement of 0.0110 base 2 equal to how much? So whatever the value it may be, when you are doing the 2's complement, automatically 1 minus this value 0.0110, which will become 1 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 minus 0.0110. The output will be 0.01001 base 2. Zero minus 0 0 1 will come, 1 minus 11 will become 0.1010 base 2. So these are the three different steps, that means 10's complement when it is a integer value, r's complement that is 2's complement when it is a integer value and when it is a binary value. So this is the major procedure followed to complete the r's complement. When we discuss regarding the r minus 1's complement, there won't be much change. Or here r minus 1's complement, given a positive number n in a base or with an integer part of n digits, then r minus 1's complement of n digit is defined as r minus 1 of minus n for not equal to 0. So same r minus 1's complement, the decimal value is 10 minus 1, that is 9. Binary value is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So here instead of 10's complement it will become 9's complement. Here it will become 1's complement. Okay. So the 9's complement of 5 to 0 will be here minus 1 minus. So 9 9 9 9 9 minus 5 to 0, which will become 9 minus 2 7. So 4 7 9. 4 7 9 is the output for this. Then comes to now 2 minus 1, that is 1's complement for the real numbers. For the real numbers there will be a little difference. Okay, 1's complement for the real numbers. The real number is 0.00110 base 2. Okay, previously the r's complement what we did, 2 to the power of 4 minus 1. Okay, in the same way here 1 minus 2 to the power of minus 4. 1 minus 2 to the power of minus 4 base 10 So minus 0.110. So 1 minus 2 to the power of minus 4 will become 0.11114 minus 0.110. So to calculate it, 0.1111 minus 0.1. The question is okay. 0.0110. Then it means 1 0 0 1.0. So the same way here the easiest method is to convert the ones complement. All the zeros will become 1, ones will become 0. So output is 0.1001. So this is about the ones complement. Ones complement of binary number is identifying or converting is very easy. 1 will become 0 and 0 will become 1. So this is all about the R's complement and R minus 1's complement. So this topic is regarding the complements. By this I am concluding my session. Thank you.